Alright guys, sorry. One more thing. Sorry I took my shirt off already, but I want to say welcome back, Christian S. Oh my gosh, it's been like 8 months, dude. Welcome back. I missed you so much. Hope everything is working out with you. Hope things are good. And I just want to throw that out before I start the video, dude. Welcome back. Prodigal son has returned. Dude, it's so good to see you. And I hope to see you in the comments again and see you in the live streams and all that good stuff. So, alright guys, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, welcome back. So yesterday I was working on these rooms right here for the lighting. So as you can see right here, I was working on these lighting ones right here. And then today I was working on the plugs for the same room. So these plugs right here. So I got, where am I? I got these 3 done without the home run. And then I was working on over here in the plastic walls just to get those out. So I got these 2 over to there and that one over to there. So I'll go ahead and show you that. And then I made up the switch boxes. So maybe I can go over that tomorrow if you guys want me to. Haven't done that in a while. So let me know if you want to see how to make up a switch box. I'd enjoy showing you guys, and I haven't done it in a while, so a lot of new people might find that beneficial. But this one still needs a home run right here. So that's the only one I didn't make up. And then I got the plugs right there. So these 3 rooms go together. So that wire goes over to here, this wire goes over to there, and then this wire goes over to over there, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. And then here's the switch boxes right here. So got your power in, power out, and your switch leg. So if you guys want me to go over that, let me know. So this one needs the home run right there for the plug, and that home run box is the one that I moved from last week. So I just need a wire from there down to here to power up those 3 rooms, that circuit. And these are the plugs I skipped right here, and then I got more switches. And then these are the ones I was telling you about, trying to get those out of the wall over there, just because I don't know if they're gonna sheetrock that or something soon, because they got all the insulation and plastic all over it. So I got the wire over to there, got that plug done. Instead of jumping out of that plug, I'm just gonna jump twice out of this plug and go over to that one, which I already did. So I just need to take the power, get the home run over to here. This is the last room for this circuit, circuit 3. And then I got another switch right here. Still need to zip tie these because I don't have any zip ties, so zip tie those together, make it look good. And then I got 2 more switches here, one on this side, and then one on this side. And I got this plug circuit out right here. There, I got that wire out of the wall over to here. And then, yeah, so that's what I worked on the last 2 days. Today I worked on these plugs and making up the switches. So yesterday I think I got the lighting over to there yesterday, and then I finished these rooms over to here, and then made all those up, and then ran those plugs over there, made those up, and then just working on the more plugs over here. So that's what I'm going to be doing tomorrow, finishing up more of the plugs, this room, these 3 rooms right here, and then more of the lighting in the other rooms, the bathrooms down there and such. So yeah, and then I also did some concrete outside, so I'll show you that. I got that lighting over there, which has to come over to here, and it has to jump out to that room over there, that switch box, jump over to the other room. So I was helping out with these. Coworker was pouring the concrete in, and then I was smoothing them out once they were done. It looks like he smoothed them out more, finished, polished it a little bit better. Once it dried a little bit, I went back upstairs, and it looks like he waited and got a little bit smoother, which looks nicer. But I think they're gonna get buried, but I'm not sure 100%. But yeah, that's the other thing I worked on today for a little bit. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video today. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe. I hope to see you back tomorrow. And those are the things I worked on today and some of the things I will be working on tomorrow. So look forward to that. And I'm gonna try to make the one ride along video with Coderman. Really need to finish that, or started, I guess. I imported the footage and stuff like that, but try to get cracking on that tonight because I want to get this stuff out. I'm tired of being lazy. So someone please hold me accountable. And that's all I got for you today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. See you tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you later. Leave a comment down below. Something in the video you liked or whatnot, or if you got any questions or any videos you want to see tomorrow. I'm going to be bringing my tripod probably so I can make videos after work. And let me know if there's something you want to see, any questions you got. Alright guys, thanks. See you later. Here's an update on my finger. It really hurts to push on it in here. Hopefully that's not bad, but I'm still trying not to bend it because if I do, it's going to crack it wide open. So I'm really just trying to keep it as straight as possible so it can try to heal. Yep. And then also still working on the beard, still growing out the hair. So look forward to that, guys. No one cares except me. See you later. Alright guys, one more thing. I did wear gloves today, so I didn't get a drop of grease on my hands, which was nice. The only thing is, like, if I need to answer a phone call or take a note on my phone, then I have to take my glove off because they do not work on touchscreens. But other than that, it was a good day, went super fast, and it was pretty enjoyable. Last like hour or so, kind of seemed like an eternity, but other than that, the day went by super quick, and it was a good day. So anyways guys, see you tomorrow.